Hi, welcome to Diamond Custom Paint Shop. This is just going to be a quick video on me mixing and spraying Limeline's base coat silver. And I'll be spraying it on this motorcycle helmet template. We'll be spraying it on both sides. I'm going to have it hanging. So yeah, it's just a quick video to show you how to mix it and me spraying it. Kind of just main thing with me spraying is watch the overlap I do and the speed. It's nothing too crazy or complicated. Just a quick video out. I'm going to use this Limeline's disposable paint cup system here, and then so you mix the base coat 50-50 with urethane reducer, Limeline's urethane reducer. So that's how we're going to be doing it. I'm going to be using Limeline's Pro paint gun here with a 1.4 tip. The air pressure I'll be spraying this at is right at about 27 psi is what my regulator says. So we'll give that a try. So yeah, let's go ahead and mix this up. We're just going to use this scale right here in the ounces. I'll probably mix. This isn't very big. Probably just to make it easy, I'll go 4 ounces. So I have 8 ounces total. That's probably going to be way more than enough, but just to make it easier for you to see it here. So and then you can always save it. I'll put this in another container to save it because it's not a 2-part system, so it's not going to harden up or anything go bad. So you can put it in another container, what you have left over, and save it for another day. So, all right, let's get to mixing this here. Probably try to zoom in my camera here on this, make it a little better, easier to see. There we go. Okay, and like I said, I always like to shake these cans up a little bit before I open them, pour them in. So we'll go up to the 4-ounce mark there. Right there is good. Okay. Then we'll take the urethane reducer and we'll go up to the 8 ounces. So that'll give us a total of 8 sprayable ounces of material. Right there is good. Take a stirring stick and mix it around. For about 15-20 seconds is all you need. So it's just got to mix with the urethane reducer. And then once I get the lid on and get it on my gun, I'll kind of shake it a little bit before I actually start spraying. Yeah, it's good. Put your lid on with the filter. Retaining ring on. And then we're ready to spray. Lock the gun on. Okay, cut right back and we'll spray some of this on. Okay, well, there you go. There's a Limeline Silver base coat. As you can see, it sprays on pretty good. I just did 2 kind of lighter coats on this, and it covered it pretty good. So yeah, stay tuned for this video I'm doing on this little helmet cutout. The next video I'll be doing on this, I'm going to be doing a crystal effect, which is pretty cool. So stay tuned for that, and then I'll see you on the next one.
Chick ching bang 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 bang.